Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 Bluetooth mouse lag. First method is open any browser. Type Bluetooth command line tools in browser search bar. Click download Bluetooth command line tools. Click download now. Click next to continue. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type BT pair space, -U. Type exit. Second method is turn on and turn off airplane mode. Click Start, Settings, Bluetooth and Devices. Turn off Bluetooth device. Type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click View, select Show Hidden Devices. Click and expand Bluetooth, right-click Bluetooth device, click Uninstall device. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click View Devices and Printers. Right-click Bluetooth device, click Remove Device. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.